Welcome back to Work to Live, not Live to Work, your source for everyday savings, travel recommendations, and of course, couponing. So today, this is a part of your everyday savings. Thanks to Field Agent, I've discovered an amazing free event today here at my local Walmart. It is an hour and a half. It is a task that I'm able to do, and I am being paid for this task, but it's amazing to be able to find an event that I knew nothing about to come and enjoy because of Field Agent and couponing. So yes, so I'm gonna show you a few clips here. Enjoy. This is the Nitro Citrus Red Bull event here at Walmart parking lot, featured and sponsored by Field Agent. Yes!